How do Amazon PPC strategies change when you're running ads for KDP books instead of physical products? So basically, the question is, if we have a different product that we're advertising, how is the strategy changing? The strategy is not going to change, even if technically in this case, we do not need active inventory to advertise. What is going to change though is maybe a few ad types are not going to be available for you. Maybe sponsored brands are not going to be available for you unless you're going to apply for trademark and you're going to make sure that you can also use that ad type. That is the only thing that is going to be served, just because we have the 5 strategies here at Scaleway, which is the protect, so branded terms, conquer, anyone else's brand terms, rank, exact match, dominate, which means placement, and then discovery campaigns. So these are the 5 strategies that are going to be applicable also for KDP books as well, not only for physical products.